Hi guys, it's Mike. I'm back with a 3-minute tip. It's cutting and embossing your dies in one. Well, actually it's 2 swoops, but much easier than normal. You have this multi-platform. You always have to, change tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, whatever. You don't have to with this. I put a little magnet so your die stays in place and also keeps the paper that you die cut in place. Or inside the die, so that doesn't move. When you try to emboss and you have to put it back inside where it was, yeah, good luck. Now 2 plates, normal scissor plates on top of each other. Instead of making a sandwich, you just put them on top. So much easier. I saw this on the Dutch YouTube channel. I will link it down below. I can't believe I never thought of it myself, because it's just genius. And yeah, I put the white paper just there because my plates are dingy and they might stick because there's glue or other bits on there. But now you put your embossing silicone mat, and the trick here is a C plate for a cutterbug. This one is from Crafty Motions. That's they have taken over making those plates because cutterbug stopped making them, didn't they? But I didn't have it. You might have the 2 machines in your stash and you don't have to buy anything. I ordered it and I was waiting for it to come in. But look how pretty it is. You can see the swirl boots. I don't have many dies that do this detail embossing. I really had to look far and long. Actually, this is not even mine, but don't tell anyone. I borrowed it. But you can leave it on tab 2. You don't have to change your settings on the machine. You don't have to change your plate. You don't have to pull out or even glue your dies in the paper together because you have a little magnet. So I'll show you again. You put your die on the magnet sheet, cut side up, paper on top, and then your 2 plates. And yeah, a shim if you have dingy plates like me. And I didn't want to show you them, but I don't have new ones except the nice glittery ones that came with this machine, and they're so pretty. I don't want to use them. So I'm a bit silly that way, but they're still new. See, it's got stuck to the plate because there's I don't know, something sticky, but you can see it's still in place because the magnet kept it there. And you just put your embossing mat and you're very dusty. Yeah, sorry, it's a bit staticky this weather today. And then your plate. So here it is. I hope you find this useful. It's just a nice trick, but it blew my mind when I saw it and I thought this is genius. I must share this tip onwards. So thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye.